Whether you're a camper, tailgater, or picnicker who's not satisfied with cold sandwiches, a portable grill makes it easy to cook hearty meals away from home. There are many products available to choose portable BBQ grill, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices, to help you make an informed decision. I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best portable BBQ grill from reputed brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Weber Q1200 Liquid Propane Grill. The Weber Q is the greatest portable grill for barbecues while on the road. It produces cooking that is excellent, even, and flare-up free, just like a full-size Weber grill. It runs on a 1-pound propane cylinder, which will give you enough time to cook for a few hours and make enough food for multiple rounds of burgers, freshly caught trout, or even chicken. But unless you want to bring along a second tank to connect while cooking, this wouldn't be long enough to smoke a turkey breast or a pork butt. There is space on the porcelain enameled cast iron grates for roughly 6 hamburgers. His grill includes 2 side tables that can be folded up so it may fit neatly in your trunk and serve as a place to set your tongs or a bag of buns. Additionally, the lid contains a thermometer, and the drip pan is incredibly simple to remove. Number 2. Blackstone Tabletop Griddle. You want to be able to prepare bacon and eggs for morning when camping just as effortlessly as you can prepare steaks and pork chops for dinner. Almost anything may be grilled on this grill's flat griddle cooking surface. Whether you're cooking burgers or flapjacks, you'll get even browning but no grill markings. There are 2 burners, thus there are 2 heat settings for cooking. You can saute the onions and peppers over low heat while the skirt steak is being seared on high for cooking fajitas. You may fry 24 brats or 12 burger patties on the griddle. The 1-pound LP tank and 32-pound Blackstone are intended to be used together on a tabletop. The carbon steel griddle needs to be seasoned before use. The griddle will eventually turn black and acquire a non-stick patina. Number 3. Weber Smoky Joe Premium Portable Grill. This is a scaled-down model of the traditional Weber kettle. It has a lot of the outstanding qualities of that famous grill, most notably the capacity to regulate heat and prevent flare-ups. The lid rests on the bowl as you flip the kebabs or serve the fish, and the lid handle stays chilly enough to lift without a mitt. A half-dozen hamburgers or twice as many frankfurters can be cooked on the grate. This barbecue weighs less than 10 pounds and is portable. The Smoky Joe is also available in red, ivory, gray, blue, and green if you're sick of plain old black. Number 4. Coleman Fold and Go Propane Grill. This folding grill weighs less than 10 pounds and is smaller than a briefcase, looking more like a waffle or panini maker than a barbecue. To bring it to the beach or a picnic location, you may either carry it by its handle or store it in a backpack. Of course, you need to pack a 1-pound propane tank as well. This model is designed to feed up to 4 individuals, not a big family or a crowd, and has a 4-burger capacity. Number 5. Coleman Road Trip 285 Portable Propane Grill. You won't have to stress about where to put up the barbecue or stooping down to cook with this Coleman. It is the perfect choice for campers or tailgaters who want to perform some serious cooking because it sits securely on an incorporated stand. The cart has 2 wheels that make it simple to pull and can be folded up when it's time to pack up and leave. You can cook your ribs, sausages, and vegetables simultaneously on 3 separate settings thanks to the 3 independent burners. There is enough for around a dozen hamburgers on the grates. With this portable grill, you get a lot of useful features. There are 2 side tables for your spatula and beverage of choice, and they fold up for transport just as the stand does. You may buy griddle surfaces or stovetop burners to replace the grill grates for an extra cost, allowing you to use your grill to cook pancakes and brew coffee. Only a 1-pound tank is compatible with the road trip. It is offered in red, orange, blue, green, and black.
That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information if you want to know product price, do check out description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier. Thank you.